Today we've been called at the ukulele factory for an emergency rescue mission. And I don't know if you can recognize the problem, but basically the seat split in half. And I noticed when I turned it over and inspected it earlier, there's a little crack here as well. See that crack? So this guy is starting to split here, and that split will eventually propagate and allow this thing to fall apart. So we don't want that to happen, so we have to fix that too. Here and right there. So that is kind of good actually, because it'll give me the opportunity to go in here and sand this wood. The person that asked me to work on it said that it was hers when she was a little girl. And so we'll get all these joints re-glued. We'll put a couple splines in it, I believe. Something to help join this guy together. My mantra when I fix things like this is sand, glue, clamp.